Have you ever wondered if it's actually worth paying more for the Doogee V Max 2 Pro, or if the Doogee V50 Pro gives you everything you really need? At first glance, they look incredibly similar, but once you dig deeper, there are some key differences that could completely change your buying decision. In this comparison, I'll show you which one offers the better value, which one has the features that actually matter in real life, and which rugged phone deserves your money. Let's get started. Here's the bottom line. If you're looking for the best balance between performance, features, size, and price, the Doogee V50 Pro is the smarter choice for most. But if your top priority is extreme battery life and you need a phone that can last for days in the toughest conditions, the Doogee V Max 2 Pro is absolutely worth it. Now it's your turn. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments, and if this comparison helped you make a decision, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more smartphone comparisons.